Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to install a tow hitch on your vehicle. Before I get into that, I want to give you the opportunity to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on any of our new content. A tow hitch or receiver hitch allows you to hook a trailer to your vehicle for towing. It includes a reinforced receiver that can accept a certain size drawbar, and each one is rated for a specific weight class. The hitch you choose will have a towing class that corresponds with the capabilities of your vehicle. So that's the most important thing to know before deciding on a trailer hitch. You should never haul anything that exceeds the towing capacity of your hitch or your vehicle. And not only does a tow hitch allow you to haul trailers and boats, it can be used for a bike rack or cargo carrier for extra space on road trips. Today I'll be working on this 2010 Nissan Frontier, but the installation will be similar for most vehicles. Once you've got your hitch and supplies together, here's what you'll do. We'll start off by taking a look under the vehicle to find the mounting points in the frame. A lot of vehicles have provisions for a trailer hitch or tow package when they leave the factory. So in most cases, modifying the vehicle or drilling holes won't be necessary. In some cases, there may already be bolts in place, but if your trailer hitch includes new bolts, it's best to use them. They should be the proper grade bolt for the weight rating for your hitch. As you can see, there are 3 threaded holes in the frame on both sides. Because this vehicle hasn't had a trailer hitch installed, these are pretty rusty and it's best to clean them out before attempting to install your hitch to avoid damage to the threads. To clean these, we'll use some penetrating oil and a wire brush that fits inside the threads. The threads on our vehicle are particularly rusty, so we use the thread tap to clean them. Once we have our threads cleaned, we'll test one of the bolts included with the hitch to make sure it threads easily by hand. Then we'll clean the surface of the frame rail with a wire brush so the hitch will mount flush. Once the bolts thread properly and the frame rail is clean, we're ready to mount the hitch. You may need the help of a second person to get the hitch in place. It can be a little heavy, so be careful when you raise it. Once the hitch is slid up into place, put the provided washers on your bolts and start threading the center bolts into the holes on both sides of the frame. The teeth of the washer should be against the receiver hitch. Make sure and get several turns on the bolts before taking pressure off of the hitch. Once both center bolts are started, install the remaining bolts. Using a ratchet and socket, tighten the bolts until they are snug against the hitch and the hitch is fully seated against the frame. Then torque the bolts to manufacturer specifications. Now that your receiver hitch is installed, you're ready to install your hitch ball, drawbar pin, and retainer. Select the ball size you need for the trailer you'll be towing and the ball mount drop height. Lifted vehicles will need a drawbar with a larger drop. It's extremely important that the trailer be level with the hitch for towing. Unscrew the nut and remove the lock washer from the ball and pass the threaded end through the top of the ball mount. It can be difficult to install the ball and tighten the nut because these parts may require tool sizes larger than what you might have in your garage. So there are ball mounts available that may have the hitch ball already installed and torqued to specification. These kits may also include the draw pin and clip for a complete solution. There are also hitch ball systems that include multiple balls, which make switching sizes quick and easy. If you want to install the hitch ball to the ball mount yourself, or if you frequently tow different trailers and have to change balls often, here's how to do it manually. Use a crescent wrench and socket, or you can use an open-end wrench or trailer hitch ball wrench on the nut and a vise or pipe wrench to hold the ball and tighten the nut until the lock washer is fully compressed and the nut is tight. Make sure that whatever you use to hold the ball is covered with a rag to avoid damaging the ball's finish. And be sure it's tightened to manufacturer specifications before towing. Insert the end of the ball mount into the receiver on your hitch and line up the hole for the pin. Insert the pin through the hole and pass the retaining clip through the hole in the pin. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.